Guys, we have some baby chicky eggs, one, and here's the second one. You see that, guys? And there's also a nest over here. See this, guys? Do you see that? Baby chicks. Okay, guys, did you see that? There's baby chicks. And there was a mommy over here that was laying an egg. Let's see if we can find her. It's either that one, beautiful shade, that girl, or it's those girls. We also showed you the chicks here. And I think one of these are brothers and sisters. These ones, brothers and sisters. I know it's dangerous to pick them up, so let's just let them be. Let's just move that one right there. And we are going to now look at these chicks, baby chickies. I love baby chicks. And oh no! Get away, fly. Get away from that. Do you see that, guys? Okay, I'm just trying to protect the baby chickies, guys. I'm not trying to be harmful with nature. And this can be found next to the street Trail Caudas. Yep. All right, bye guys. You have a great day. Bye.